Today is Sunday, but we continue learning. Let's see what learning is. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have öğrenmek. Öğrenmek. Öğrenmek is to learn, to study, to find out. Let's use those in some phrases. To learn a skill, to study for exams, to find out the truth. Bacarıq ÖYRƏNMƏK. See, öğrenmek ends with k, but spoken language, it turns into y. So, bacarıq ÖYRƏNMƏK. Bacarıq is a skill. İmtahan üçün öğrenmek means you learn, you study something for the exams. Həqiqəti ÖYRƏNMƏK. Həqiqət is the truth. Həqiqəti, the truth. To find out the truth. Let's use those in some sentences as well. Mən yeni bir bacarıq öyrənmək istəyirəm. I want to learn a new skill. Mən öyrənmək istəyirəm. Oh, another one. Did you see what I said? Öyrənmək. So the word is öğrenmek. You're gonna hear it in form of öğrenmek, öğrenmek, öğrenmeyi. So you gotta hear this multiple versions. And I willingly or unwillingly used a couple of those already. Now, yeni bir bacarık, a new skill. Yeni, new, bir, a, one, bacarık, skill. Mən yeni bir bacarık öyrənmək istəyirəm. Another one. O, bugün həqiqəti öyrənmək qərarına gəldi. He or she, bugün is today, həqiqəti, the truth, öyrənmək, to learn, to find out, qərarına gəldi, decided. Literally, it means to came into a decision of learning the truth. So if you were to translate it literally, that's what it would mean. Otherwise, o bugün həqiqəti öyrənmək qərarına gəldi. Another one, watch. Həqiqəti, rarely people say that because they just join and drop the E in the middle. Həqiqəti, həqiqət, həqqi, həqiqət. Did you hear? Həqiqəti, o bugün həqiqəti öyrənmək qərarına gəldi. Öyrənmək, I said. Did you pay attention? That's how it changes. Now, that was today's word öğrenmek, and I showed you how to use those in Azerbaijani sentences. There's an easy way to retain this word. To öğrenmek something every day, or to öğrenmek something new every day rather, is a day well spent. Thanks so much for watching. We ended Sunday with learning, and if you want to continue learning, come back next week because we're starting a new topic. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com, where I post every 10 days on how to make it easier with tips and tricks to learn Azerbaijani. I'll see you there, guys. Cheers.